Hey guys, doing a what's in my bag video, Kin Games edition. And inside we have a water bottle, a little shaker cup, I got a shirt, here is the front, and here is the back. Next, a sticker, I got a towel. The ladies have arrived.
And our bags are here for
A little
bottles.
What is this called?
Nice.
A cozy?
Cozy, yeah, cozy.
Cozy? This is the back, the front. A lanyard.
Ooh.
So exciting.
Does it even say Kin Games on it?
It just says
very
feels
like
like home. Very
Feels like
very small on there.
it's cute.
Then we got another sticker. A shot glass.
Wow,
A little pin. It's a cowboy hat and it says Calgary. It's really cute. Tourism Calgary. Lip balm. Chopstick. Then we got a mini football from Niagara College. Reign Storm Guava Strawberry taste test.
And then you're gonna say sucker.
We don't have 600 for no reason. I hope they do. We don't have them. We don't have them. People that do that too. I said we have 600 of them for no reason. Like, I hope.
It's really good.
Give your taste test.
Taste
test.
Taste test.
I'm saying call them. That's crazy. No, we do.
Taste test.
Okay, ready?
There you go. What are your thoughts?
You know what? Is it 0 calories?
Is it actually?
Is it?
No,
It's 10 calories.
For 10 calories, it's okay.
That's so good.
Usually has a big of an like an aspartame taste.